Have you ever deposited money in a savings account or taken a loan from a bank? In both cases, interest is involved. Either you earn it when you save or you pay it when you borrow. In mathematics and in real life, understanding interest is crucial for making smart financial decisions. There are two common types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. In this video, we'll focus on understanding what interest is, how it's calculated, and how the two types differ. Before we get into calculations, let's understand some key terms used in interest-related problems. Principal is the original amount of money that is either lent or borrowed. Rate is the interest paid on every 100 rupees in a fixed time period, usually per year. Time is the duration for which the money is lent, borrowed, or invested. Amount is the total sum to be repaid or received. We write that as amount equals principal plus interest. These terms appear in both simple and compound interest problems, so understanding them clearly is essential. Let's now look at simple interest, or SI. Simple interest is calculated only on the original principal throughout the entire time period. It doesn't change. Here's the formula for simple interest. Simple interest equals open bracket principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time close bracket divided by 100. Let's take an example. If principal is 1000 rupees, rate is 10% per annum, and time is 2 years, then simple interest equals open bracket 1000 into 10 into 2 close bracket divided by 100, which gives 200 rupees. So, the interest is fixed and doesn't grow year by year. Now, let's move to compound interest, or CI, which is used in most bank savings and loans. Here, the interest for each period is added to the principal, and the next interest is calculated on this increased amount. That means the principal is growing every period, and so does the interest. This process continues for each year or any other fixed period, such as half-yearly or quarterly. For example, if interest is compounded annually, the principal changes every year. If compounded half-yearly, the principal changes every 6 months. So, compound interest grows faster than simple interest over time and is used in most long-term investments. Let's now compare the two types. In simple interest, the principal stays constant throughout the entire duration. In compound interest, the principal is revised after each compounding period because the interest is added to it. So over time, compound interest becomes more than simple interest. It grows rapidly and is better for long-term gains, like in recurring deposits, mutual funds, or EMIs. Also remember, if you're borrowing money, compound interest means you'll be paying more. If you're saving money, compound interest means you'll be earning more. Let's quickly revise what we've learned in this session. Interest is the extra money paid or earned when borrowing or saving money. Important terms include principal, rate, time, and amount. Simple interest is calculated with the formula open bracket principal into rate into time close bracket divided by 100. In compound interest, the interest is added to the principal periodically, making the total grow faster. We also saw the differences between the two and where each is applied in real life. And that's the foundation of how we understand interest, both simple and compound. In the next video, we will explore how compound interest is calculated using formulas and how compounding frequency affects the final amount. See you there.